Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are looking for high quality Tupperware that also saves a ton of space, then you are going to love these from EcoEvo. This is a incredible six pack of these amazing glass Tupperware. They are airtight. They are made from this beautiful silicone and glass, and I love how they are this stylish gray color. You can microwave these with the lids on. You can put the entire thing into the dishwasher, but I love how airtight these are. Once you've got this lid on, you cannot get this thing off. It is so tight, and you just pop that little air pocket open and it comes right off. So you're keeping your food fresh and safe. I love that I can pop this in the microwave and eat right out of it. And I have the variety of sizes. They're just so perfect. If you've been looking for the perfect set of glass Tupperware, look no further. This is the one that you should get, and that's my point of view.